Hi everyone, Peter from Show Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making pipe cleaner dragons, like these ones. So out of your pack you're going to need your pipe cleaners, the card, and then you've got googly eyes as well. And then you're also going to need felt tip pens, a little bit of glue, and some scissors. So we're going to start by making the wings. So you're going to take some of your card, you're going to fold it in half. So you're going to draw one of the wings from the fold outwards, and you need to make sure you keep this fold in the design of your wing to make it work. So once you've done that, you just cut it out. Now you can open it out. We have our wing. You can do it any which way you want to. And then we can also add some different colours if you want to. I'm going to add some spots. So there's the wing. So you can take some of the leftover card you've got, and then you're just going to draw out the head. Cut that out. You can draw some marks on or whatever you want to do. If you get a little bit of a different colour, just cut out a little bit. Make one end pointy. And a little bit of glue. That will be the dragon's tongue. So now you want to take your pipe cleaners, and you're going to ask an adult, and be very careful. I'm going to poke a little hole in this, and that's for the pipe cleaner to go through. And then wrap that around. There we go, we've got our head. You get your wings, get the head in the right place, and then you just wrap this round. Keep that on, and then I'm going to choose a different colour for my legs. When you pipe cleaners, fold it in half, then over there like that, twist it at the back, and then bring your legs out. And then all we need to do now is add the tail. So you can choose a different colour again. I'm going to go blue. So you can do a straight tail if you wanted to, but I'm going to do a little twiddly tail. So you just wrap it around your finger so it's a bit springy. So after you've done your tail, you're just going to tie that on somewhere wrap it around, that'll keep it on. There you go, you've all done.